How to share your messenger link. Hey guys, if you want to share your messenger link into someone you want to go ahead and add, now this is extremely simple. Basically, first things first, you want to head over to the messenger application right here, and once inside messenger, you can just go ahead and click on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen. From here, this menu will show up where you then have to click on the gear icon. Once inside, you now have the full menu of your messenger account. To go ahead and share your messenger link, you simply want to go ahead and scroll down, and from here you can then go ahead and see an option called username. Just go ahead and click on your username right here, and once inside, you basically have the option to change your username or not. But if you then go ahead and see that changing your username will also change your messenger profile URL at m.me/username. So in order to share your messenger link, people have to go ahead and type m.me/this specific username right here. If you want to go ahead and make a little bit easier, you can just go ahead and do so. And so if you want to go ahead and share your messenger link, that is the way on how you can do it. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll see you again next time. Thank you.